Hey guys, Trey back again with another video. And in today's video, I want to show you guys how you can start up a TypeScript project from scratch. So I know there's a lot of tutorials and stuff out there telling you how you can just create a base project using TypeScript and all that stuff. I just want to show you how you can do it from scratch. Literally, I'm going to create a folder and I'm going to get init the folder and we're going to add TypeScript. First thing I want to do is obviously create the folder. So I'm here on my computer. You see this is an empty folder. I'm just going to go ahead, create a new folder and call it TS project. All right. So now we have our TS project. So I'm going to open this with code. All right. Now we have this VS Code open. I'm going to trust the author since I am the author. All right. So now we have this empty project, right? And now we want to first make this a Git folder. So we're going to make this a Git project. So we're going to say git init. All right. So now this is a Git. So if I list all of my files, you'll see we have this .git, which tells me this is a Git folder. All right. So now we just need to add TypeScript. So the first thing we're going to need to do is install TypeScript globally. All right. So we're going to type in npm install -g, and that's going to tell us to install it globally. And then we're going to say TypeScript. All right. So once this runs, we have installed TypeScript. And now to verify that, we're just going to type in tsc-version. All right. So we see that we have a version coming back, which means we have it installed correctly. So the next thing we want to do is add our TypeScript configuration to this project. So in the main folder, we're going to add a new file. All right, so we're going to say touch TS Config JSON. All right, so now we have our TS Config file. You can also come up here and say new and do it that way. You know, I just like to do things through the command line. So now if we open this file up, we can go ahead and add in what are called compiler options. Okay. So we're going to open this up because this is a JSON file. So we need to open this up. And then we're going to say, not compile on city. Then we're going to compiler options. Then inside of here, we're going to add a target. And I'm going to do ES6. And then we need to add a module, and this will be common.js. All right, now we have common.js, and next thing we're going to do is add an out directory. So out dir is going to be our output directory, and I'm just going to call this dist. All right. So this is pretty much the basic thing that you need. Okay. You can also add in source map if you want to. I'm going to say true. All right, I'm not going to really explain any of this. I'll post a link that will explain pretty much what's going on in this file. But this is basically the bare minimum that you need to set up your TypeScript project. So the next thing I want to do is actually create a file a TypeScript file that I want to be able to transpile into JavaScript and actually run. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type touch main.ts. So this is our TypeScript file. I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to say, let's declare a hello world variable. And just to show that it's TypeScript, let's actually add our type here, which is a string. And then let's console.log it. So now we have our TypeScript file. And in order to compile this file, we just need to type in TSC, and then we'll do -p, and then do dot. All right. And now remember here, we said our out directory is going to be dist. So it created our output directory, and here's our file. So this is what it was transpiled to, which looks pretty much the same. But yeah, this is definitely coming from a TypeScript file. So now we can run this. We can say node dis/main.js, and as you can see, it ran. All right. So that's pretty much it. If you want to set up a TypeScript project, you can do it this way, or you can use the pre-built ways where they have a command line input that you can put in, and it'll create a whole project for you. Maybe it's going to be more fancy than this, but you know, this is the bare minimum. All right. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel and all that jazz. And I will see you guys in the next video.